Of course, so many of us are so tired of all of this snow and cold, but it's been good for some local businesses.
KRBC 9's Matt Evans is live with how one shop has seen winter sales skyrocket. Matt.
Yeah, when you take a look outside or you take a step outside, maybe 2 steps and go, nope, don't want to be outside anymore. So you try to find something to do inside. Well, a lot of families turn to a classic, maybe a board game or a card game. How about solitaire, right? So you can play solitaire inside. It's something to do at least, right? I mean, it's not nothing. But what happens whenever you've played solitaire 17 times and there's another snow day? Well, enter board game shops like Mission Board Games. They have hundreds and hundreds of card and board games, old and new, and they say these snowy days are a bit slow, but it can be a madhouse in here before winter weather hits. The manager even compared it to a grocery store before a storm. But instead of picking up things like bread, milk, and eggs, people are looking for stuff to do inside and off screens.
The advent of technology and being online has caused people to become less social. But people kind of desire that. They're looking for engagements both with strangers, with family, and each other, something that's in person. And board games are a way to bridge that gap and bring people back together off the tablet.
Now, I don't have a whole lot of games in my repertoire, plus solitaire, maybe Monopoly, but Hunter showed us some games that even I could pick up on pretty quickly. We'll show you those coming up on our news at 6. Reporting live, Matt Evans, KBC 9 News.
All right, Matt, we'll see you then.